Hey, this is Ainslie with Wave Electronics. Wanted to talk to you about some of our new mounts in the Master Brand series. And it's not necessarily a new mount, but some really cool new features that makes it a lot easier for the custom installer. One are these little pull strings. The biggest problem I have when I install these TV mounts is that these pull strings always hang down or dangle down below the TV. And a lot of our TVs today, the mounts up very high on the television because the power supply and all the electronics are on the bottom of the TV. So it's really hard to get to that pull string to release the bottom of the mount. Well, what we've done here with Master Brands is included this little Velcro sticky tab that you can stick on the back of the television so that you can just hang the Velcro in the back of the television, right out of the way. When you need it, just pull it off. But as you can see, this string's a little long. You can shorten our strings to hide the string below, so it doesn't protrude below the television, okay? And you can easily pull it on and off. The other cool feature is on the back plate. This is our previous backplate design with this center strut. We eliminated the center strut just because we know that you never know what's going to be here in the center. It could be an outlet, it could be where you ran your HDMI cable, and so we have a completely open backplate with these little center arrows so you know where the center of this mount is. All of these new features are going to be included on our tilt and flat series mounts moving forward.